Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your signature in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course the first thing that you'll need to do is log into your Google account and then go to Gmail. Then go to this settings button right here and click see all settings. It will direct you to the settings bar of your Gmail account. And then here at General, just scroll down a little bit. And then you can see here your signature. As you can see, I have signature right here. This one is the default signature for our company Pearl Lemon, which is on the parent company of Gmail Fiend. So in order to add another signature, just click create new, and then you can name the new signature, like for example personal, and then click create. You can also customize or edit the signature name, the existing signature name, and edit the content by just editing the content right here shown here. If you want to add another signature, just type whatever you want the ending of your email to be in this part. Okay, as you can see here are some options for the signature defaults for new emails use and on reply forward use. You can change this according to your preference. And also, you have the option to insert signature before quoted text and replies and remove the two dash line that precedes it. So that's how you change your signature, add another signature in Gmail. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!